Hello everyone. Today we start a new chapter, chapter 9, places in the neighborhood. First topic is neighborhood. The houses, people, places and streets around our home in the same area make our neighborhood. So what is the neighborhood? The neighborhood where we can see so many houses and so many people and places and streets around the same area. Around the same area of our home make our neighborhood. So in our neighborhood we can see hospital, grocery shop or schools and police station. All these form our neighborhood. Next topic is neighbor. The people living near and around our home are our neighbors. Neighbors help each other in times of need. They celebrate happy and sad times together. Always help and greet your neighbors and keep our neighborhood neat and clean. So the people, those who are living around our home are our neighbors, and our neighbor maybe celebrate Holi or Christmas, and we celebrate Diwali or some other festivals, and we used to invite our neighbors also to come and join our celebration. So we have to always help and greet our neighbors. We should maintain a healthy atmosphere with our neighbors and neighborhood. So what is the difference between neighbor and neighborhood? Neighbor is the person who lives near you, next door, on the same street, in the same apartment or building. Neighborhood is the locality where you live, within which you can get from one place to another by a few minutes walk. Next is services in the neighborhood. In our neighborhood, I told you already, we can see so many areas and so many things like hospitals, schools, police station, malls and grocery shop. All these things form a neighborhood. Our neighborhood provides us with many important neighborhood services. This makes our life comfortable, and all these places makes our life comfortable by providing us some important services also. These all neighborhood providing us very important services. So what are they? First thing we are going to learn about hospitals. What these hospitals are, how these hospitals are serving us. We go to a hospital or a doctor's clinic whenever we fall ill. Doctors and nurses take care of the patients. A hospital has an ambulance to bring sick and injured people and give them immediate care. We dial 102 to call an ambulance. So we know that in the hospital, when we are sick, at that time we go to the hospital, and in order to treat us in the hospital, we have nurses and doctors, and for the emergency we have to call the ambulance. So in this way the hospital is providing services like this. Next, our neighborhood thing is police station. Police help us by keeping our homes and neighborhood safe. We know the police helpline number is 100. So whenever we have any kind of difficulties or any kind of things, we have to dial this number 100. At that time, what happens? The police will come to help us from that difficult situation. Okay, so today we have learned about neighborhood and neighbors, and the two places in our neighborhood also, and in the next classes we will learn about other neighborhood places also, like a fire station, bank, market. All these things we will learn in the next class. Okay, so read this chapter 9, page number 56 and 57. Thank you. Have a nice day.